Hello YouTube, it is Josh, and today's video is going to involve me installing the Windows 10 technical preview on an HP. It is a DC5700. So I'm going to install the latest Windows 10 technical preview which came from the Microsoft website. I will attach the link in the video description below. So what you'll start by doing is hold on, man, I gotta turn on the computer, open the optical drive. Okay, that's not good. I have to look into that. I'll be back. Alright, I think I solved the issue. Let's just turn it back on. I'll feel happy. Yeah, I know what the issue is. I had I've recently acquired this RAM right here. Hold on, let me boot to the boot menu real quick. So I've recently acquired this RAM right here and from a friend, and the RAM I guess is bad or something, I don't know. So I guess I can get rid of that RAM. So now I just put the old RAM back in. And I'm gonna boot this straight to the boot menu. Get this front cover back on. I did not put the side panel back on in case something else is wrong. So I'll do that after the Windows 10 installation, wherever I put the Windows 10 disk now. So now it'll save config. We need the F. So now it's going straight to the boot menu. So now what I will do is I am going to put this. Okay, I gotta fix that now. I probably forgot to hook the optical drive up. Be back. Alright guys, I think I fixed the... Yeah, there we go. There's the optical drive. I think I fixed the issue. So now let's stick the disk in. Put it in. We'll boot to the CD-ROM. Now, I will be right back because I have to go get the Windows 10 product key. So I'm going to press any key here, and I will be right back before the next step. I have to go get the Windows 10 key. Okay, guys, I am back, and I have gotten my product key that I will need. So now, looking at this, focus, is that you can see right on the end bottom here, it says evaluation copy, the build number, and then up here is like on any other Windows installation, I believe from Windows Vista on. So now what I will do is click next, and then install now, and then setup is starting. This looks quite similar to the Windows 8 install. Oh yeah, and by the way, I don't know if I said that yet in this video or not, but this is going to be part one of two parts in this series. Let me peel that off. This is going to be episode 1 of 2. Here, let's just accept and then I'll continue going. So yeah, yeah, let me just take the time real quickly and just read. Yeah, you guys can do that all you want. So we'll just click accept the license terms. Next. Then we're going to do a custom. Now I have about 3 different partitions on this hard drive. So we're going to delete that partition. We're going to delete all the partitions off of here. So now we're just going to click next right here. So now I'm going to keep going. So this is going to be episode 1 of 2 to this video series. This episode 1 is just going to be the basic install of what Windows 10 would be for the basic install. And episode 2 is going to be actually going through the operating system, as in getting internet on it, doing some tests, doing some basic, just using it for basic use. So I have something called Study Island that I need to do for my school, in which is just something for science. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to test Study Island on this computer. I'm not going to do it with you guys seeing. I'm going to do it on my own, and I'll tell you guys what I think of it as a normal operating system. And I'm going to try and install certain things like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, all that stuff, and we're going to see if it can actually replace your current Windows 7, Windows 8, whatever Windows you use. I personally use Windows 7, but it's going pretty fast. I'm going to go get my USB Wi-Fi stick and the driver disk for it. So I'm going to pause right here, and I'll be back once the install is done. Okay, guys, that was very fast. So now this took much like 4 if not 5 times longer when I did this on my laptop through a virtual machine. Excuse me. So now it wants to restart, so we're going to restart. Sorry, this is zoomed in so much. So now at this point, do not boot from the CD-ROM, okay? So now it's going to go into here, and I'm going to notice right here, this looks a lot like the Windows 8 boot up. So now it is passing. So now it's coming on. Come on. Okay, so it is trying. Hold on. So there you go. Sorry it's taken a bit. So now it's getting devices ready. It's working pretty nicely. So there you go. There you go. So, okay, it's still going. Getting ready. I'll just find this. Don't worry about what it's... Just no need to worry. I'm just saying no need to. So now it is getting ready. I'm sorry it's taken a bit. Just trying to show you so that way you guys can see what it does when you're doing this. I will admit though, guys, that when I did that, maybe it took 5 minutes, if that. When it went through like 5-10 minutes, I think, something like that. It went pretty fast. So now it is getting ready. Getting ready for what? To run a marathon? Well, it's taken a while. Let's just keep it that way. It's just taking forever at this getting ready stage. You guys may hear background noise. My dad's probably walking in the door. I'm gonna pause until it's done this getting ready stage. Okay, so got through that getting ready stage, and we seem to have a cursor. Or at least we had a cursor. So now it's rebooting. So now do not boot from this. You don't need to boot from it anymore. However, I'm keeping it until I'm completely done the Windows 10 install in case it needs it again. So now it's I think it's going to boot up here now. So now it's trying to boot. Just give it a minute. Anytime now, people, anytime. Don't think I'm getting any younger here. I'm just saying, I'll pause until it's booted. It's taking a while. Of course, it just booted, so now set up for you. Okay, so now I'm gonna customize. Actually, we'll use the express settings just for the moment. So now it's checking the connection. I guarantee you it's not gonna be able to get. Now, hopefully we don't have. I'm just gonna pause until it's done that. Okay, so now you're at this stage. Who is going to use this PC? We're gonna name it. We'll put it under my name, so Joshua. We are not going to put a password on it, so we're gonna hit next. Okay, so I don't know what that was about, but just moving on. So now it's logging into what that other user is. So it says, "Hi, hello, how you doing today? We're setting things up for oh, that's nice of you. Just please, thank you for setting things up for me. I appreciate it. You can get new apps from the store. Yeah, I already know. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, real quickly, I have this Wi-Fi card. And what happens is I'll plug it into the computer and demonstrate to you what happens. Is that I plug it in, and that just happens. And what happened was it was actually my fault really, because I was upgrading something on a computer. This was in it, and then I was working over at the couch. And then I lifted up and the thing bent because I forgot it was in the USB port. So it was really my fault. I should have paid better attention. If you guys have any leads for me to get a new one of these, if you guys know a way, if you find it on sale or you guys maybe find it online, something, please tell me in the comments. So now you gotta admit it, okay? You gotta laugh at yourself sometimes. So I don't think this is... Okay, yeah, I appreciate it. Taking care of a few things. I wonder what you're taking care of. It's just taking care of a few things. I appreciate it. Are you going to take care of my laundry for me? It's as soon as it's done. We're not... Unfortunately, in the next episode, we're not going to be able to have internet. However, I will be able to put the installs on a flash drive and do it that way. So we'll do it that way then. See, I need to... Yeah, I'll have to figure something out. I honestly don't think I'm going to be able to use this anymore, so we'll put that aside. Yeah, okay, so So do not turn off your PC. What if I want to turn my PC off? I can choose to turn my PC off if I choose to turn it off. Don't turn off your PC, by the way. Well, it's my PC. I can choose what I want to do with my PC. If I choose to throw it off a bridge, I'll throw my PC off a bridge. Don't bother me. So now, after it's done taking care of a few things, ideally... I'm going to pause and I'll be back after it's done taking care of what it needs to take care of. So now I'm just going to give you guys a little bit of what to expect. This is after the getting ready of taking care of a few things. This is now getting your apps ready. So now we're just going to let it go. So I'll pause. I just wanted to show you what you're going to get, so I'm going to pause. Okay, so now I would show that it is almost ready. Yay, it's almost ready. I don't have much more longer to wait. Now, hopefully this'll hurry up now because I can't wait. I'm probably not going to record the second part. I'm probably going to go through I'm gonna wait till tomorrow, till either tonight or maybe tomorrow. Actually, yeah, I guess I can do it. Yeah, no, I'm gonna do it probably another time. I'm gonna just try and make it the first time that I go through the Windows 10 technical preview. Now I am gonna go through it. Actually, no, I'm not. I'll wait. Make it all and make this video interesting. So now it might ask me for a product key, although it has yet to. But if it does, I printed one out. So now we're gonna wait until it's done almost readying. So I'm gonna pause until it's ready. Okay, guys. So now we are done. So now we'll just take a look real quick at what this Windows 10 technical preview is. So now. So now let's see, do we have anything work? Let's see. Let's just see this Windows 10. Let me just see how good this technical preview works. How good it is. So now let me see. It should, in an ideal world, read the amount of RAM that's in it right now. Yeah, okay, so 3.5 gigs it realizes. Okay, yeah, everything's good. Everything's all well and good. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to shut this down. I'm going to shut this down. We're going to shut this down. I don't know why the start menu isn't working. I'm going to try and reboot this and see if I can get it to work. I'm going to have to do a hard shutdown. Oh, okay, that's a cool feature. You can just push the button and it shuts down on its own. That was a pretty quick shutdown, though. I mean, the computer over here itself is still on, but, like, it's all still lit up, but it's pretty much shut down for the most part. So now we're going to turn it back on. We've taken the disk out. So now we'll see what we get here. So now it boots. It boots very quickly. I mean, wow, that I could fool someone into thinking there's a solid state drive in this thing. This thing is fast. Oh yeah, and I apologize, guys, for any of the poor video quality. By the way, I don't know if I already said that or not, but I'm using my phone to record because I don't have a good video camera or anything, and I think I may mention that in the video description below. I don't know. So let's see, this is Joshua. Okay, so now it's trying to boot. It's taking a while. I mean, once you get past that initial boot, it's quick, but then once you get right there, it's like, I just give up on life. That's what it's like, basically. And now it's just got a black screen with the cursor able to move. Yeah, it's got a black screen with the cursor. It's just give it a while. I think the hard drive I know is going bad. So that might be part of the issue. I'm just using an old hard drive. So I'll pause until it's loaded. Yeah, guys, I can't get it to work. I just hit the power button on it. So what I've decided that I am going to do is for part 2, I'll try and get it fixed, or I'll reinstall the operating system. I don't know if I did anything wrong, and if I did something wrong, I'll diagnose it and tell you. So, subscribe if you like this video, leave a comment in the comment section below, and if you have any questions, ask them in the comments, and I'll try and reply to them. Have a good day.